Hello team. Today I am going to explain you one interview question. So the question is identify and remove the duplicate records while keeping only one unique records. So you will have the table. In the table, uh, you will have the order ID and the customer ID, and there are the scenario where you will able to find the duplicate rows. So you have to find out which are the duplicate rows and then how to delete it. So I will create a first table that is orders name. Let me run the table and so here you can see we have the here you can see we have the customer ID 101 and order ID 201. This is repeated two times. 102 and 202 combination is one time. 103 and 203 combination is three times. So if I have to get to know how many times each combination has duplicate, so we'll order ID comma count star. So here you can see the combination of the 101 and 201 order ID has two times repeated, where 102 and 202 combination has repeated once a time. Or customer ID 103 and order ID 2003 has repeated three times. The combination of the 107 and 2007 has repeated four times. So this we got to know the combination of the customer ID and the order ID means row wise how many times it got repeated. Few records are repeated two times, three times, four times, and there are few records which don't have a duplicate. So here we have identified the which records are the duplicate and which records are not the duplicate. So now we have to delete the duplicate records and keep only the first record of them. So suppose 20003 have the three records. So we have to remove the two records, keep the only one unique records. How do we do it? So here we will use the one CTID function. Let me run it, then I'll explain you how it works. So here you will able to see CTID is a Postgres inbuilt function. uh, it will uniquely identify the physical location of each and every row in a table. So this table wherever this is stored, there will be some physical location. So every row have one CTID. That is the physical location of the row in a table. So CTID will help us to get to know that physical location, and will also run the row number. Why row number? I'll explain you. Partition by customer ID and order ID, because we need the we need the duplicate on the basis of the customer ID and the order ID. So here you can see 101 have the two duplicate, 103 and 203 combination have the three duplicate. So now I have to delete. So which row I have to delete? Where Rn is greater than 1. Correct. Select star from where Rn greater than 1. So you will get those records where uh, which are the duplicate records, and I have to remove these records from the table. So as I have explained you the use of the CTID function, CTID function is a physical location of the row in a table. So this will able to help us to delete the, so we only got the CTID. So delete from, this is a table name. So I'll also show you one thing before deletion. Select star from, total how many records are there? 20 records are there. Delete from table where CTID in, I will run it. It's run. Now I'll check. How many records are there? 10 records. Is there any duplicate? None of records are the duplicate. If you want, we can check by using the code also. Or rows have the one records. So why we use the delete? Why we cannot use the something else? So we have the three function. Let me explain you also: delete, drop, and truncate. So drop is used when we have to remove the when we have to delete the table. Delete, we have to delete or remove the table. Delete use when we have the particular row to remove. And truncate is wipe out the data, wipe out the data, but structure the data structure, but the data structure remain there. Means like if we have the customer ID integer, order ID integer, so this will be there. It will just remove the entire data, but the table structure will be there. Delete will help you to delete the particular row, and drop will remove the table. And yeah, once table is deleted, it cannot be come back. Okay, thank you, team. I will come with the some more problem next time. Thank you for this time.